How to earn money with faceless YouTube. Are you one of those people who have a lot to share but not so much courage to face the camera? YouTube is a one-stop destination to view, upload, and share videos, and this revenue-generating hotspot requires facing the camera a bit too often, which not everyone is comfortable with. So if you are one of them, then today's video is exclusively for you all. Yes, it's possible to make money on YouTube without showing your face. And today we are going to talk about all the ways in which you can earn money with faceless YouTube. But before we start, make sure you have subscribed to our channel. Make sure you watch the video till the end. Let's begin. There are already a number of channels doing this, like Practical Psychology, Philosophies for Life, Young Entrepreneurs Forum, etc. And their average monthly view count is around 700,000. Considering a minimum ad revenue CPM of $7, that amounts to about $4,900 each month. So it's a tried and tested theory. But how are these channels making videos without revealing their face? There are a number of ways to do so. We will explore all these ways in our video, and you can pick and try anything that works with you and your niche. The most useful and most common way is use stock footage. It is a brief video or image that is typically someone else's outtake and can be inserted into longer video productions. You can easily find high-quality, royalty-free stock images and videos. Some of the websites where you can find stock footage for free are ArtGrid, Pexels, VideoHive, and Shutterstock. You can make lengthy and interesting YouTube videos for various purposes by providing your voiceover over the stock footage. But if it's your voice you are concerned about, you can use text-to-speech software as your alternative voice. Using a read-aloud program can convert written text into audio. This is an excellent solution for those who are insecure about how they sound or who don't have a good microphone or environment to record their voice clearly. Most text-to-speech programs have robotic, unnatural sounds. Here, Speechelo comes to the rescue. With the aid of cutting-edge technology, the tool enables you to convert any text into a voice that sounds entirely human in just 3 easy steps. Copy your text, select a language, then hit generate. You can also change the tones, breathing, pauses, speed, and pitch. It creates a voice that is specifically tailored to your needs, so you can create several types of content using software like Speechelo and stock images where you don't have to reveal your face or voice at all. However, this may sound a little monotonous for some people. So some other ways to make faceless YouTube videos are to create a 3D avatar that will work as an alternative to your face. A 3D avatar is a virtual representation of yourself that you can use to represent yourself online and establish a distinctive online identity. And it's not as complex or technical as it sounds. You can use software like FaceRig, which makes a 3D avatar for you very quickly. It's a tool that instantly transforms your real-time facial expressions into any character, just like a Snapchat filter. Moreover, if you like gaming, you can make money simply by playing video games on YouTube. Both playing video games and watching others play them are hugely popular pastimes on this platform. In addition to this, hundreds and thousands of video games are released each month, and before purchasing them, many people like to know what they are about. Some people simply want to know the whole story behind a particular video game without actually having the time to play it. As a result, gaming videos are viral on YouTube and are a good source of income. Even better, if you start a walkthrough gaming channel on YouTube, which is frequently intended to finish entire video games to help other players or give them the entire game stories, you can concentrate solely on playing without having to talk or show your face. Some other ways you can explore are by finding video ideas, writing a script, doing a voiceover, and using whiteboard animation software. Once you have your video idea, it isn't hard at all. Here's how you can do it. First, write the scripts. Simply open up Google Docs and another tab in Google. Search for your video idea and open some of the first articles and YouTube videos that appear. Make a list of key points that you can possibly discuss and elaborate on. To ensure that your finished video is at least 10 minutes long, make your scripts roughly 2,000 words. Simply use as many words as necessary to convey as much value as you can. Value can be entertainment or educational. If you don't want to write the scripts on your own, you can also hire people to write them for you. To ensure that your scripts are original, you can use software like Copyscape. Now, once the script is written, it is time to record your voiceover. You can use a microphone or your phone, or as we previously discussed, a computer program like Speechelo. Now the last step is utilizing whiteboard animation software to create your video. The most user-friendly software for this is VideoScribe. Simply import your voiceover file and then drag and drop the elements and text that relate to what you're talking about. To keep your viewers' attention, I advise changing what's on the screen at least every 6 to 10 seconds. Additionally, make sure that any music you use in the background of your video is tranquil so that it doesn't interfere with what you're saying and that your viewers can clearly hear your voice. Your faceless video is done. Wasn't that simple? Before you upload your video, make sure that you have a custom thumbnail. It will make sure that people actually click on your video. And like for every other step, there's software to create thumbnails too, Snappa. If you are including text in your thumbnails, be sure to make it large and easy to read. Also, reduce the size of the thumbnail to ensure that it still looks good at small sizes, and that you can clearly see what the video is about. After your video is prepared, upload it to YouTube along with your personalized thumbnail and complete the remaining title information. Include a keyword or two in your title, but don't worry if you can't. The more important thing is to make sure it's clickable and relevant to searches. Find high search volume and low competition tags to include within your video tags. Moreover, if your video doesn't receive any views within the first few days, don't worry. Just keep putting out quality content consistently. Once your channel has 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you will start to earn money. It seems like it would take a very long time to reach those milestones, but with the proper channel optimization, it can actually happen much more quickly than you might imagine. You can join what is known as the YouTube Partner Program, where YouTube will place ads on your videos, and then you'll get a cut of that ad revenue. If your videos are at least 8 minutes long, you can place multiple ad breaks throughout your video to multiply the amount of money that you make. You can earn more money by promoting products in your videos than by relying solely on ad revenue. Some other types of videos that you can create facelessly and make money are compilation or ASMR videos. A compilation is a group of brief related video clips pulled from other videos like epic gaming moments, sports highlights, captivating TikTok videos, fail Twitch clips, humorous images, etc. But beware, compilation videos are particularly susceptible to being demonetized or removed due to copyright infringement. As a result, before including a clip, confirm that you have the owner's permission to do so. ASMR videos, on the other hand, give a calming experience through calm sights and sounds like whispers, accents, and crackles. According to Heather Feather, a well-known ASMR YouTuber, ASMR feels like the amazing chills you get when someone plays with your hair or traces your back with their fingertips. One of the most well-liked ASMR video genres is culinary. It requires a lot of high-quality content preparation and production, which can be very labor-intensive. However, the end outcome justifies the effort. In addition to compilations, you could also create a looping music video with a catchy song. But again, be careful of copyright violations. If you can animate well, you can make animation videos. Another type of video that has gained popularity recently is with me videos, like Study With Me or Clean With Me. According to researchers, watching these kinds of videos can help people feel more self-assured and motivated to accomplish their goals. These videos can also be created relatively quickly. Simply set up a nice filming angle and begin filming your activities as you go about your day. You can also pay someone else to speak for you or record voiceovers for you. You may have to spend some money on it, but you'll be able to make YouTube videos that are more professional. Make sure you have a regular uploading schedule. Do at least one video per week. Now, if your question is, how long will it realistically take for me to see results and start making money with this? Well, it depends. It depends on a lot of factors. Keep in mind that many of the top channels had to upload hundreds of videos onto their channels before they got big. Keep on analyzing and optimizing what is working out for you and what new strategies you can incorporate. Promote something on your channel because that way you don't have to wait for your channel to get monetized. Make sure that you're growing your channel correctly and not just wasting time on it. YouTube has become a place for people to earn while doing the things they love. The only thing that is left to do is exercise creativity, passion, and determination in the right direction. That's it for today. I hope this video was helpful to you. Let us know your channel's name in the comments below so we can all grow together. If you enjoyed the video, do like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more such content. See you in our next video. Till then, good luck with your channel.